Here's to the individualists. To those who seek out the exceptional in an ocean of average, we share more than admiration. We share your vision, your standards, and your rugged individualism. When crafting yacht-quality sport fishing boats synonymous with high seas and high praise, we do things your way. It's not your first boat. You've learned what you like and know what you want. So we don't settle. We don't choose quantity over quality, and we never ever cut corners. Our boats are designed by and for individuals who genuinely are individuals. Like us, you plot your own waypoints. You prefer to get where you're going and back in style and comfort. You know the water and your vessel. And you appreciate a streamlined layout with room for everything but compromise. That's why you belong at the helm of a Jupiter. Individually handcrafted for the die-hard individualist. With Jupiter's classic-looking lines that are different from anything else on the water, our boats aren't for everyone. That's the whole point. What makes a Jupiter as unique as you are? What sets it apart from the others? Let's start here.